In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Roblox. Whether you're using a desktop or mobile browser, the process is straightforward and I'll guide you through it step by step, making sure you understand every part. First, open up your browser and navigate to roblox.com. Once you're there, log into your account. If you're not already on the homepage, ensure you're there as the next steps will require you to access a specific menu. At the top right corner of the page, you'll see a gear icon. This is where you'll need to click. It serves as your gateway to the settings section where all the adjustments to your account begin. Clicking the gear icon will reveal a drop-down menu. From here, choose Settings and then navigate to Account Info. This section houses various options related to your account, including the location settings, which are vital for changing your currency. Scroll down a bit until you find the section labeled Location. This area is crucial, as changes here will affect the currency in which you make purchases. Now click on the drop-down menu within the Location section. You'll need to select the country that uses the currency you wish to use. For instance, if you want prices to appear in USD, you would select the United States. Similarly, if PHP is your target currency, choose the Philippines, and for GBP, select the United Kingdom. After you've selected the right country, it's important to scroll down and hit the Save button. This ensures all your changes are secured, updating your account information accurately. Now, you'll need to log out of your account. This step helps refresh the changes you've made. After logging out, simply log back into your account. Once back in, the real test comes when you go to buy Robux or a premium subscription. The prices should now appear in your newly selected currency, confirming that the process was successful. Changing currency in Roblox is a simple but effective way to manage your purchases with ease. By following these steps, you'll be able to ensure you're seeing prices in a currency that makes the most sense for you. Whether you're buying Robux to enhance your gameplay or subscribing to Roblox Premium, understanding pricing in your local currency can enhance your overall experience on the platform. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!